Our target is 600 is gone nowhere. Our first target is going to be always hedge your positions. So these are the two stocks which I'm sure you will be able to make good money. Welcome back, investors and traders. I have already made a video yesterday for you people, but while I was doing my research, I found two excellent stocks. One FNO, one cash stock, right? So I thought I don't want to miss the opportunity for you people to make money as I'll be traveling now for the next 5 days. But if I've got a good stock, I must inform you about it so that you can all make money. So on my radar, first stock that I want to discuss about is 𝐂𝐻𝐼. This stock I've been watching for the last few days is really building up. A huge amount of positions have been built here. And what I can see in this particular stock, if it goes above this place, which is 495 or 496, I'm definitely expecting it to go till about 525. So that means about 30 points move is gone nowhere. Easily that can be captured. But in case it crosses this particular barrier, which is 534, then I'm not looking for a lesser movement than till about 600. My target will be at least 600 in this particular stock. And one more important thing, because this is a paint stock, as this is a paint stock and the festive season is sitting in India, I'm expecting the stock to give a good breakout. So Kansa and Narolic looks really good at this point of time. Our buying is at 496 and our target could be 600 and holding period could be about 1 or 2 months. So this is one stock that's looking really, really good. The volumes, actually, if you have a look at it, the volumes entered on 2nd of August. No, 2nd of August, yes. And after that, the stock just went in a consolidation mode. And now, again, like the place from where it's taking time and again a support, it's 466. In case it goes above 496, it definitely will give you a good move till about 534. And अगर this high is broken, अगर 534 का high break होता है, our target is 600 is gone nowhere. And the next stock that looks just outstanding is Divis Laboratory. Divis Laboratory is looking very, very promising to me. See how the stock has been developing. Like you must always focus on how the price has been growing in a channel. I don't know how many of you remember, long back I have given a similar stock, Cipla. Why I know it? Because whenever I draw a pattern, I know that I have given this stock and that is why this pattern has been drawn here. And look at where we entered Cipla 960 and it stands today at 1000. It's July, right? July end, or in 1.5, 2 months, it almost went almost like 200 points, and it's a FNO stock. Similar thing I can see happening in Divis. So Divis Laboratory is looking extremely good to me. Sorry, this is BSc. I want NSC. No. This is how NSC is. And what I want to do for you is I will draw a graph of this figure for you. So what you can all observe that there is a kind of channel in which buying is happening. So where will I enter into this stock? Where do you think we should enter into this stock? I'll tell you, we're going to take an entry right above 3725. 3725 is where we will enter. Our first target is going to be 3800. After 3800, straight away a target of 3900 or 3950 is expected, and then 4000, 4100, 4200. But again, as I told you, in case of Cipla, I gave it in July, and now it is shown you about 200 to 50 points move. Same thing I'm telling you, you've got to hold it for few months. So Divis Laboratory, when I'm saying to enter at 3725, you need to at least have it for October, November, December. Maybe you can take December end, contract, but always hedge your positions. Hedging your positions will ensure that you are not kind of like your loss is protected. Like it's not, when I'm doing research doesn't mean this stock will never fall. Stock may fall, right? But if we are prepared about it, as the market scenario doesn't look very good, if we are prepared, we'll be able to really ensure, like at least our losses will be, controlled. There won't be uncontrolled losses in a particular stock. So the second stock that looks extremely good to me is Divis Laboratory. As I told you, 3725, above 3725. And I'm not giving you a stop loss, but you can hedge it with the put. Now put, you decide yourself which strike price you want to buy. But Divis Laboratory is looking extremely good to me. And another stock that I told you is Kansai Nerolac. So these are the two stocks which I'm adding to my list of 5 stocks that I gave you yesterday. And hope all these 5-7 stocks should be on your radar. Whichever gives you breakout first, enter into that, and I'm sure you will be able to make good money. With this, I'll be signing off, your host, Dr. Seema Jain, and remain tuned with us for live trading every day from 10 to 11, and for learning about stock markets, something new, and to find my deep-rooted research so that you can all make money. All the best. See you in the next video.